If you need to get away from the stress and the worries of your life, if every day it feels like you're dancing on the edge of a knife, if that concrete jungle bogey is driving you insane, there's a paradise just over there, Tulane. Take the 219, prettiest thing you ever saw, where the air is pristine, there's 80 shades of green. Come on baby, take the 219. If Monday morning feels like you're deeper in the muck, if Tuesday afternoon it's getting hard to give a damn, when hump day comes around but you're the one that's getting humped, that car, it's not that far to get you out of that sun. Take the 219, prettiest thing you ever saw, where the air is pristine, there's 80 shades of green. Come on baby, take the 219. Let's go. Heaven knows you got no nose left for the grindstone. That candle you've been burning's all out of wax. Even better, there's no cheddar left for the rat race. Kick those tires like fires, put the pedal to the max. Get enchanted by the hills down to the valley of the Zor. There's fire in those waterfalls, who could ask for more? Black diamonds are a girl's best friend. Live that large life, sun or snow. Whatever reason, month or season, now's the time to go. Take the 219, prettiest thing you ever saw.